So how do you do a title search on a house in Georgia? This is Dave at titlesearch.com. In Georgia, to do a title search, you have to first translate from where the city is to the county. If you had a house, let's say in Kennesaw, you're going to have to look at the records in Cobb County at the land records. You start with the tax assessor and you pull the property card. On the back of the property card, there'll be what's called a legal description. You start with that legal description and the assessee's name, and from there you go over to the land records office, to the land recorder, and you run that legal description and the name through the name index. And the name index will spit out a list on a piece of paper of maybe 50 to 100 different documents that are in different books. And then next to each document there'll be a number. Well, from that number you'll pull a book off the shelf, open it up, read that document or make a copy, put the book away, go to the next book until you have all those 50 or 100 documents. From there, you do the same process over at the civil court office, which isn't too far away. It's only a few blocks away. It's a short drive from the land records office. From the civil court records, you run the same thing. You pull the book out with the name index in it. You find out all the documents or all the cases that have been filed in the civil courthouse. For example, judgments, lawsuits, small claims, any other types of encumbrances that might be against a person. Even IRS tax liens could be recorded in the civil court records office. Pull all those records out, put them in your folder with the other ones. From there, you travel over to the probate court office, and that may be in Cobb County. It's not too far away either. It might be in the same building on a different floor. Get that name index book from the probate records office and find out any family events such as divorce, death in the family that might affect the property. Once you have those four, last, you're going to need to get records from the Secretary of State in Atlanta to make sure that there's not any UCCs on that property or other taxes for corporations against an individual. Once you have all that, you're going to go ahead and start doing abstracting. Read through the documents, see which ones are still open on the property, which ones are closed, which ones are canceled out, and then put together a little note card to see which items are still encumbrances on the property. So to do a title search in Georgia, you translate the city into the county, pull those county records, don't forget Secretary of State in Atlanta, and then you'll have all the records you need to have information about that property. If you have questions about running a title search on a property in Georgia, you can reach us at our website, titlesearch.com.